Me in the kitchen, so you know what that means. Time to bake some cookies. Add ingredients to make the cookie dough. Okay, what's sugar? It's sweet, just like you. Crack, crack, crack those eggies. Crack, crack, crack those eggies. Butter. Flour. Good work. You sure you're not a cookie monster? Let's add more yummy stuff. Rainbow adds a lot of color. Now that's very creative. Me impressed. Whoa, zesty. Oh, chocolate chippies. Yummy. You know, you're such a good baker. You welcome in me kitchen anytime. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Ah, me can't wait to have cookie. Wow, look at how squishy bowl is. Roly, roly, roll. Roly, roly, roll. You choose shape. Flour. Whoa, me didn't know cookie could look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, it's almost cookie time. Duck, tick, duck. Waiting for cookies is so hard. Ding! Cookies ready! Cookies ready! Yum! Cookie worth the wait! Oh, nom. Oh, nom. Oh, nom. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Thank you for sharing cookie. Me make extra cookies for me friend.